We're only going like a couple hundred yards down the road, but we're doing it. We're good. We're good, we made it. Totally no issues. And I know how to drive. See? Switch. Switch again. I know what I'm doing. I'm a pro. You know that weird feeling when you like try to hold a burp in or something, and then it's like you got a ball of gas in your chest, and you just want to die. Oh, that's just downshifting. I'm not doing anything wrong. I hope. I think I'm dying. So what you do is you go by the tractor, and then you turn until you get lined up. Oh, there we go. The burp came out. I feel great. All right, and then you put it in reverse. And you put it in reverse. Okay, so it's having an issue. This isn't my fault, but sometimes when it's in neutral, you can see here, it's in neutral, but then when I take my foot off the clutch, it's still in gear. It's been given trouble like that. I don't remember how to get it unstuck. I think I put it into first gear. Go. No, put it into seconds. No. Okay, now we move. Now I just have to pop it out. And problem solved. See? It's the stupid truck, not me. Now we're back. So the way we have it set up is we got lines along the ground that you can look back in your mirror and you can go up on, and then we have a line going sideways, and then we have a mark on the truck. So what you do is as you're backing up, you just open your door, and you have a little mark down there, and you just line it up with that mark, and you know exactly how far back to go to start dumping, you know, so that it's a good spot in the hopper for the auger. On your mark, line it up just like that, so you got the lines there, and you know it's a good spot. I got someone out there opening the gate for me, so that helps my life. You just engage the PTO then, pull this up, make sure it engages, and then you lift. Listen, I did not break the truck. It was already broken. Alright guys, we are nearing the end of harvest. We just got a little bit more to do, and then we're going to put everything up for the year, and I am going to sleep for probably a week. By tomorrow, that'll be 4 full weeks of cutting, you know, 12 to 13 hours a day. And I am getting about sick of being in this combine, and I'm ready to just mellow out for like a week of doing nothing. And then we'll get into plowing, and we'll have, you know, lots and lots of plowing to do, because that takes forever. This year we have had all kinds of issues. This is probably the worst year we've had as far as combines. It's been breakdown after breakdown after breakdown. We normally, on a normal corn harvest, we run 3 combines, you know, nonstop. This year, there was times where we were down to 1 combine running an 8-row header because everything else was broken down. Right now we've got 2 going, so that's better than nothing. The corn's not great this year. It's okay. It's around 50 to 60 bushels an acre, but you know, insurance covers it, so we'll be okay. It's just not fun cutting when the corn's, you know, this tall. You know, it's like 1.5 feet off the ground. That's not fun. It's fun when the corn's like 6 feet tall and you can just cruise along and you're making 150 bushels an acre. But yeah, definitely not this year. Give it a chance, Tim. Give it a chance. See?
Nice and pretty.
Corn harvest for us has officially ended, which means this is going to be our last harvest video, but stick around, we've got a lot more farming stuff on the way.